Good evening, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Trust Limited. As you can see on the screen, the long-term chart of the company. This company has given an ultimate return to the investor in the last few years. And if you see the company's overall performance, the overview of the company is from financial sector, NBFC, total market cap 330 crore, price to book value per share is 116, price to earnings 6.03, peg ratio is 0.11, which is also very good sign. Dividend nothing, which is also you can say good sign with respect to the reserve and balance sheet growth. If you see that company return in the performance wise, if you check, that company has given a 1145% return in the last 2 years, and 5 year return 880 crore, and 10 year 284 crore, 284%. Company is something actively involved in the merchant banking activities since inception, and merchant banking services, corporate services, various group. Okay, it is very good, and let us digitalize company. If you check the company's monthly, you can say 100% delivery company. People are always buying and holding at this kind of company. If you check the latest announcement and corporate announcement, you see company was paying dividend last in 2019, and after that company never paid any dividend, which is also a good sign, but somehow we have to take care about it. And check with your advisor before taking any kind of decision on this kind of company. If you check the indicator, you can see it's overbought right now, neutral, but always check with your advisor before taking any further decision on this kind of company. Now going to the fundamental analysis, here you can see the company's price to is EPS is 25, P 6.0, industry P 51. See industry P, you can see industry P is 51, is indicating that company have very good potential in the future, and maybe price move from right now it's 152 rupees price, but in the future it may go to 300 rupees. Okay, good potential company. Face value 5, total floating number of shares 2.18, which is very good, low equity in the market. When you check the Master Trust total investment and strategy here, you can see that the company is here. It is dealing in the mutual fund, virtual statics, customer states, people. A lot of things company is doing in the financial respect. Okay. Now let's check the result of the company. The quarterly result is growing, every quarter's result is growing. Profit is also growing. So you can see here how company's profit is, sales is growing from 31 crore to growing to 84 crore, which is very good sign. And if you check that here, the profit here, company is generating good profit, and you can see 2 crore profit now converted 13 crore profit, which is very ultimate sign for the company. If you check the annual return, the company last 1 year, 1.5 years was very excellent, and company is giving ultimate positive return in the last 1 and 2 years. Okay. And if you check that, the company is also increasing their interest. Okay, so interest increasing, it means that every financial company has to increase the interest, because they have to lend this, they are paying money today and lending the money, so it's very important to increase their interest. As soon as and as much as the interest will increase, the profit will also increase for the company. So net profit, you can see 11 crore to 34 crore profit. Very good sign, positive sign for the company. Now if you see that the ratio here, the company's so you can say standalone also showing the same. If you check the ratio here, the company return on equity is 14%, return on capital around 18% here. And if you check here the efficiency rate of the company, EBITDA margin 28%, the margin is slowly increasing by the company. Price to book value, which is very important thing you have to understand, 65 rupees the price to book value of the share in 2012, but now it's increased to 117 rupees. A very good sign for the company. Working capital is also improving for the company. Okay, now you can see the financial chart of the company. You can see balance sheet. Okay. Balance sheet, and you can see that the company's shareholding fund is also increasing here. One of the positive sign, every investor, every good analyst want to see the share capital. So you can see the company never dilute their equity share capital, which is very ultimate sign for the company. Reserve is increasing, very good, very good exponential growth in the reserve. Okay, current liability increasing. Okay, non-currency, you can see here the company has to increase their particular interest. Non-current asset also increased from 329 to sudden increase in the short-term loan, which is very very good. Long-term investment also increased by 227 crore. And if you see the current asset here, the company is having very good cash. Okay, right now it's showing, but yeah, so this is the latest update with the company. Now check the profit and loss statement. Company is still creating 322 crore, creating good profit a year of 55 crore, and also maintaining good cash flow. If you check the cash flow, company is generating very very good cash, very good cash rich company. One of the positive things that you do see that promoter is holding intact in this company. Intact holding for the promoter is 74.8%. Excellent holding by the promoter. Never decrease their position. DIR decreased, but who is increasing their position? After DIR decrease, the non-institution public increasing their position in this company. And if you check the shareholding burden, like very very good. The promoter are also holding this company in intact. Very good belief by the promoter in this company and business. You can see the scan, and you can see in the future these kind of company becoming the next Bajaj Finance kind of stuff. So always check your advisor, finance advisor, before buying any kind of stock in this kind of company. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.